Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of deleting all emails on Gmail at once. So let's get right into it. First, open the Chrome browser on your mobile device. Tap on the three-dot menu on the top right corner of this browser window. Select the desktop side option. This will ensure that you can access all the features of Gmail on your device. In the browser search bar, type in gmail.com and hit enter. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, click on More on the left-hand side of the screen. From the drop-down list, click on All Mail. This will show you all of the emails that you have received across all of your folders in Gmail. Under the Search Mail bar, you will see a box icon. Click on this icon to select 50 mails at a time. Once you have selected 50 mails, click on Select All Conversations to select all the mails in your Gmail account. After you have selected all the mails, click on the Delete icon that is located under the Search Mail bar. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your action. Click on OK to proceed with the deletion of all your emails. Wait a few seconds for your emails to be deleted from your account. Once the process is complete, you will see a confirmation message on screen. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted all of your emails in Gmail at once. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete all of your emails in Gmail at once, saving you time and effort. This can be especially helpful if you have a cluttered inbox and you want to start fresh. Remember to take a caution before deleting your emails, as there is no way to recover them once they have been deleted. If this video was helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.